Hey, boys and girls. For today, for our science lesson, we are talking about magnets. This is the third lesson in our force and motion chapter. This is one lesson that I wish we could all be together for, but next week I'm going to try to post some videos of people using magnets and show you different ways that magnets attract and repel. So, attract and repel are our vocabulary words that we will be using in this lesson. And by the end of the lesson, you will know how people use magnets. So, magnets can push or pull some metal objects. Magnets attract some metal objects, and attract means to pull toward, and magnets can repel other magnets. So, repel means to push away. So remember, the push and pull is a force. The ability to attract and repel objects is a property of matter. So I want you to look at this in your science book. We are on page 116, and I want you to pause the video to draw an X on the objects that are not attracted and put a circle around the objects that are attracted to the magnet. So if you notice, all of these objects are attracted to the magnet. All of these objects are not attracted. And these objects we know that they're attracted because they're stuck to the magnet. So it pulled them towards the magnet. And the second question says, why do some of the objects not attract to the magnet? Well, if you notice, all of these objects are made out of wood or plastic. None of these are made out of metal. And remember, it says that magnets can push or pull some metal objects. Everyday uses of magnets. So people use magnets every day. Magnets can hold artwork on refrigerators. Magnets can keep doors closed. Magnets can hold bracelets together. Magnets can sort metal in a recycling center. And magnets are in cars and computers. They connect the cars of toy trains, and they even move some real trains. So strong magnets lift and move the train. So these are all different ways that you can use a magnet. So if you have magnets or you've used magnets before, I want you to pause the video to draw a way that you have used a magnet. I know I even have some jewelry that has magnets that pull the clasp together so that it stays closed and I can wear it. So magnets have poles. A pole is a place on a magnet that has the strongest push or pull. So look at the poles of the magnet. The N stands for the North Pole and the S stands for the South Pole. So if you have two magnets and you put the two ends together, they're going to repel or they're going to push away from each other. But if you put the South and the North together, they attract. So they're going to pull towards each other. A magnet can move an object. It can move something without touching them. So look at the picture. The spoon is moving towards the magnet. The magnet is not touching the spoon. It is the force of the magnet that pulls the spoon. So because it's a metal object, the spoon's all the way over here, but the magnet will pull it towards it. So if this is a metal train, I want you to draw an arrow to which way the train will move. So this train is going to move toward the magnet. So that was our lesson 3. Make sure you do your lesson check for this one. And then next week, we're going to look at some different videos of people using magnets and ways that we use magnets.